Welcome to the Rustic Garden Homestead. Let's just jump right into it. Today I want to show you how to identify male and female flowers on your squash, your zucchini plants. And this is something you can learn now. Get ready for the summer. I'm growing some zucchini plants indoors. These are overgrown. They're not really healthy, but they're perfect to show you the male and female flowers. You want to subscribe and follow me. I'll show you how to grow transplants indoors for the squash, zucchini, melons, pumpkins, cucumbers, and what a healthy plant is. These are just overgrown. They've been growing in here too long. Even though they look green, they're flowering, they look great, they're too big for these seed starts, but perfect for identifying male and female flowers. So the male flower is just a stem. For my thumb up, it's just a single stem. Flower opens, a bee needs to take the male pollen, and it has to find a female flower. When you come over here, you can see a little baby zucchini. The flower has already fallen off. That's a female flower. Here's the better example. Right underneath there is a tiny little zucchini. You can tell the difference because the male flower is just the stem. So whenever you see a little baby zucchini and a flower tip, that is the zucchini that's going to mature. Now this guy, you could actually cut this off and eat it now, maybe in a salad or something, but it wasn't pollinated. So this is going to continue to grow. It's maybe, I don't know, 3 inches or something like that. It's going to look great, and then the tip is going to get brown. It's going to rot and die off because it wasn't pollinated. You can't really grow squash indoors because there's no pollinators. Here's another example of a male flower. You see just a long stem and a flower. Here's the third example. Flowers starting to open. Right along where my thumb is just a stem. Right here, stem. Right here, stem. These are all male flowers. What you're looking for is the female flower. Let's see if we can find any more. Here's one. That's a little tiny baby zucchini right there. Flowers starting to form. That will turn yellow-orange, open up, and you have your female flower. Because again, you want to make sure you have the little baby zucchini underneath. And that's what you're looking for, is you're looking for your plants to really grow nicely. Again, another example, zucchini flower. To grow nicely outdoors, nice and green, growing, expanding, and then you want to see all kinds of different flowers on there, the males and the females. Sometimes what happens is you get all male flowers at first. The female flowers don't show up, things are out of sync, but the plants actually figure it out, and you'll get plenty of male flowers and female flowers, and you should get plenty of zucchini in your garden. But you're always looking for the little zucchini right there, the flower tip. That lets you know that if you've got a male flower somewhere that opens at the same time as the female, you're gonna have a beautiful zucchini to harvest in about probably somewhere between 7 and 14 days. And then the final question I get a lot is, how can I increase the number of female flowers or male flowers? And you can't. You might read a lot online or something. You can't change how the flower plants. By planting 2 zucchini plants next to each other, you don't really need more than that. That does help with the odds of a male and female opening up at the same time and helps with the pollinators. You can see right in there, the baby zucchini, that'll be a female flower. There's another one right there, just starting. Just give your zucchini, squash, melons, pumpkins, cucumber plants a big drink of a water-soluble fertilizer when you transplant them outdoors in the summer. Keep them well watered and they'll figure it out. You'll get plenty of male, female flowers, and you'll have a great harvest in 2026. And please subscribe and follow me. I'll teach you, starting in January, how to grow indoors. I'm going to be doing a video on growing tomatoes indoors. And you can see that I started a lot of stuff early here in Maryland Zone 7, but I'm getting these plants ready for videos come January. In January, I'll be growing flowers, herbs, starting cool weather crops, and I'll teach you how to just grow amazing transplants for your garden. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, male flower. I sell tomato and pepper seeds, $1.75 each. All other seeds are only $1.50. Thanks so much for watching.